Okay, so check this out right over here. We are going to be doing a unboxing review and test on the Foam King foam gun that you can use for your garden hose that we are going to be doing a unboxing review and test on. And in this unboxing review and test, we are going to open everything up and show you guys what you get inside. So without going any further, let's unbox this and show you guys more in depth.
Okay, so this is everything that you get inside. So here's the Foam King foam gun itself. So this is right over here. You can see there's a nozzle that connects to that. And this is the nozzle itself where the foam gun releases all the soap and suds. Right over here is a huge plus that they provided a power soap car wash soap sheets that you could use to wash your car. And it has a citrus smell that smells very nice as well too, which really, it complements the car's exterior and your car will just be smelling good, which is really a huge plus for them to provide that. Right over here is your nozzle right over here that connects to there. But what we're going to do now is that we're going to put everything together and show you guys how it is to assemble it.
Okay, so this is how you connect this. So it has a quick release that's located right over here. So you just put the tab like that. You can see like that, and then just connects like that. The quick release really does help, and then you just lock it in place just like that. You can see that snap. Once that snaps on, then you're just good to go right there. But now that's how you assemble it. And what we're going to do now is that we're going to go outside and put this product to a test to see how well the soap and suds work. So without going any further, let's go outside and put this product to a test.
Okay, so here we are outside. We are going to test this product out, and right over here is different adjustments you can make for the max foam and suds. So this is setting number 1, which I'm about to show you guys. So let's test this out. Okay, now let's go on to setting number 2. So the more I push the lever, then it's going to have more soap and suds. So let's go on to number 3. Okay, setting number 4, you're going to see if I move this dial right over here. Let's test this out. And last but not least, setting number 5. This is the max of the foam and the suds that it's going to have. So let's test this out. And you can see right over here, I still have, enough soap to do another car as well too. You can see there's a little bit more. And I would definitely recommend this Foam King foam gun if you are looking to make your car washing fun and easy. Then this right over here is by far one of the best products to get. You just have to change the dials to have different levels of foam, suds and soap right over here. And you can see that it changes the experience when you do car washing. So if you're looking for a foam gun to change your experience when you wash your car, then I would definitely recommend the Foam King from this company because of the fact that it makes car washing fast, fun, and also easy as well too. And best of all, it also saves time as well. So if you're looking for a Foam King to change your experience, then this right over here is by far one of the best products to get, and I would definitely recommend this product.